just turned 430. Is it actually 430 on the stone? Yes, it is. Let's go make the pizza. Pizza number 1, 190 gram dough ball. This is freshly made dough straight out of my bread maker. My cheese. Wiggle test. Ooh, perfect. I think it's done. But I just wanted to show you what I did to make my pizza ovally and not round. I made a mistake. This is the mistake I made. If you look at it, it's not perfectly round, even though I made a perfectly round pizza. There's a missing part here, there. And the reason for that is that when I was launching the pizza into the oven, I'll try and replicate it with my peel. I did tiny little jiggles like this, but I was jiggling and it was basically not moving forward with my jiggles. So it was sort of, I don't know if the base will show it better, and that's how I created that more oval pizza, because I should have been pulling more forward. And that's why my pizza is not the way that it should have gone in, which is I have another inch there. Just thought I'd share that so that you know that when you're doing those little jiggle movements, pull forward, pull the pizza forward, because it's very vulnerable to tiny little things like that when it's being cooked. So yeah, so I've got like a, see, it's not round. Oh, Wasp, like my pizza. Oh no, don't attack me now. So I'm just adding some oregano, being completely attacked by a wasp as I add my oregano. Ah, go away, no. But I made a mistake and I have to show it. What do you think of the base? It was at 430 and I'm using 65% hydration dough and with no sugar or oil, just flour, water, yeast and salt. It's a 65% hydration dough. Crust, base, crust. He's gone. He's going to go and get his friends. Right, this is the perfect place. I can show you now what happened. Can you see there? That rim there. Where it just stuck. And I wasn't pulling forward enough to pull that forward. And that's why it's not round. There's the evidence. And there's the ripple. So this part of the base shows you perfectly where I went wrong. I should have been pulling forward, but it didn't. It sat down and has got lines in it. So that is exactly what I'm talking about. So if you pull forward with little movements on your peel, you can stop that from happening. I'm going to take this in because he's super annoying. Okay, let's move on to pizza number 2. Pizza number 2, 193 gram dough ball. Pizza cook number 2, stone is 4 to 6-ish. Yeah, little turn. Just a little turn because I can see it slightly darker at the back than the front. Only anything can turn. Done. Done. And it's round. It's round, not oval. Like to check the stone temperature after the cook. It's gone down, but it does go back up very quickly. You see in there how hot all the lights are off in that oven right now, but it's so red on the, what do you call it, the burner thing. It's so hot in there that it's making it glow red. Right, so we can check this one out now, and you will see that I will not have that thing that happened before. Okay, so let's check this. But I can straight away it's round. So let's check the base. It's pepperoni pizza. The base. The crust. The base, the crust. Very hot day today in the summer in the UK, and so I did open the Volt's door in between as I made my pizza for about 5 minutes just to release some of the heat inside it, because I wanted to lower the stone slightly, because I thought if I had that stone go any hotter for the second cooker it would be even like darker. But yeah, that's perfect. That stone is perfect. It was at 420, 430, 420. I think that's a good temperature on that pizza stone. No lower than 420. But as you can see from here, I haven't got those ridges that I created in my last one with my error. It's all flat, and that's what causes your pizza to crumple, is by your movement of the pizza. So I hope that helps. Hopefully my mistakes help you so you don't make the same ones. So I hope you found this video useful. My 2 pizza cook in the Volt 2. I really enjoyed it. I've stopped cooking now because the kitchen is actually getting super hot because of that heat and the heat of outside, and there's no air conditioning. So yeah, it's getting very hot. But I wanted to use the Volt 2 today, and I know it's my winter oven, my autumn, winter, spring cold weather oven, but I thought I missed it and I wanted to have a little go with it, have a little cook. But it is hot today, so I'm gonna continue outside, but I will be doing more Ooni Volt 2 videos in the cooler weather inside when it's horrible outside. So thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.